Ndi making a video is gonna say kedebo Ogechi no. Where is Ogechi Okeke Njaka? Because na kai say a lot of people can say Ogechi anatabe or can eme nke ọzọ. The question is, kedebo no, is she truly missing or is she truly in America? Matago only happen asị gị na asị no AI no nka na Ogechi anachiabe. Ogechi is probably in America. And after mgbọpụta obiago Nigeria. You ga hapụ ọnụ Nigeria happy ogbogo America. Sikwa America batakwa Nigeria. Sikwa Nigeria nachiyakwa America. Matago. And a lot of people put an go. So this question now is referring to Ndi Amebo, Ndi Osochi Igbo, Ndi Abani Abaka, Ndi Hembasalo Ogechi Echuola. So the question still remains, Kede na ebo Ogechi Okeke Njaka? No. So wole na ajụjụ sazi onwunu. Godekwan.
Where is Ogechi? Where is Ogechi? Ogechi in America. Where is Ogechi? Ogechi in America. You never shame. If you let me pro, I don't have any problem with Omuanyo. I don't have any problem with Omuan. Omuan, no one or two issues with Nwanne before. But Pungonga Umoke won't feel you. Where is Ogechi? Dimpamwadu. Onye can just say ona unu I'm about it. I'm about it because which kind of a man ya will go on in your on Facebook for how many years gonna Nwanne, and now I know gonna Facebook for how many years now come to think of the fact that Nwanne achieve good so many things he achieved as a man. It's a GLE baby. It's a GLE baby. Oh, this like on about now. If you get in a bucket in America, this like not to the video fan about Nigeria. Ubunone kangwa guru concentrate in your life. Your life should be more of a concern to you than that of a woman that has been well established with investments scattered all over Nigeria. Her house in Abuja. Some of whom looking then at you cannot even afford to buy one couch in that house. Not to talk about other buildings elsewhere and numerous plots of land. Not to talk of hotel for over 10 years now. That is the kind of woman actually even on Facebook, even on advice. I don't understand. For real. I don't really understand. Case Ogechi from the time Ogechi batana Nigeria all na case Ogechi ego case Ogechi mono Ogechi mono boda ma case take over 100 million. You will that money. You will do somebody who can come through for you in a case of 500,000, and yet you are fighting a woman like that. And that boy Nwanne buamu esene malo na afa how do real. Mono Ogechi wakarisia Nwanne ijibu hunka mono Ogechi wakarisia Nwanne. Is that I am preparing the ground for the round two. I'm preparing the ground for the round two. You know, I don't usually get so much involved in this, but I always like to give you people basis so that you know exactly. I've been very happy that some people are falling off already. For that possible, man, this thing is not worth it. At the end of the day, somebody like Mirabel that I advised. I advised Mirabel a long time ago. Why you are spending much of your energy naturally Ogechi online? Ogechi is also spending greater percentage of her time making a living for herself. Social media, back to her work. And you can see the level of hard work Ogechi throughout the period of on Nigeria. She never lacked anything. She financed her case all through. Now, Kensari was forgotten. Nobody was talking about him. In fact, I'm sure it was at the mercy of the person that arrested him that at her mercy could secure her release, because nobody was talking about her. But the whole social media was talking about Ogechi. A lot of people showed concern. Even people I never knew that I can get in contact with contacted me for the sake of Ogechi. I can know woman that lady is not just an ordinary woman. You got to go. So where is Ogechi? Ogechi is in America. Not that Mama Maro, I knew a long time ago. I knew. Look, let me tell you. Can you remember the day Ogechi make a video about a born on a first tag? Make a beggar say go and refresh on that particular video. That video Ogechi made that time 5 months ago. A born on a first tag. Make a beggar say go. Ogechi was on her way back to America that time. Lagos that time. She was heading back to America. You gotta go. You gotta go. Now she kept it cool. No stress. Caught up in your illusions. Now, don't you people think that it is time to stop this madness? Don't you people think that it is time to end this madness? Face your various lives. Go and find lives for yourself. Okay, she discover go her own life. That lady is more than comfortable. She's an American citizen. You can never take that passport away from her. Okay, she decided Nigeria again. She will be comfortable living her life in America. Now the first person Meguri. So many people, even without any problem, had they decide to spend the rest of their lives in America. You got to go. So, and to think that no surely better. Because I want no video nobody Ogechi in Nigeria. If not, Ogechi no go to Nigeria 2 days before we bought for a program. You did not know. Oh no, send the photos, but she did not do that. But you still did not see that Ogechi in Pachanya make a malu no battle. Keleben they see where go no happens. This woman this woman this woman won't let him go back. When you fool me this one for a second, don't you know Ogechi Batana Nigeria? Poyan goes go share Batakona Nigeria of China Bie a long time ago. Of China Bie Zuzien Ike came to beg go. You should go and find lies for yourself. To the fact that Kensington had to take a bus to come to Newu to come and arrest a woman drive HGLE is so I don't understand. I don't understand honestly. Yeah, ego get you spending at this case alone. Some of you in here only for her to go back again and start oppressing you people with a Tesla car. One then give one up. Manono Juno na give up. This second round, I will not pity for you people. And the mother send the message. Don't send that message again. Unless money know what it takes to tell Izugo 1 or 2. Macron will be on a page will power and the immunity to say anything they want to say and get away with it. Money know that power and such immunity. Don't even try it. You know what I go. So I am here to answer your questions officially and straight ahead. Because yesterday video mail I did. Where is Ogechi? Ogechi is in America. In fact, Ogechi has been in America for a long time. You know what I go? So I want to go. I want to go. I want to this season 2 is going to be sweet, and I will just sit and watch while the game plays on. Cheers and happy Sunday. Someone and I'm going to clap on one for a reason. You gotta go. Kudos to you, Mirabel. You have taken the right decision. How I wish that me taking that advice in you that early morning that you woke me up to insult me. How I wish that you took that advice. I repeated the same advice as a sister to you. As on 13 but you choose to draw crowd and attention. And when may call you, you gotta go. Now I'm happy. No time is too late and no time is too early. So you have taken the right decision. The moment you stop all this, people will forget. People will forget everything that has happened. Our people in long memory. The only reason that people which we can is because you keep bringing the story back. That is the darkest part of your life that you should allow to disappear. But you keep resurrecting it each time for reasons I don't know. But I can assure you that you will get more if you throw away that your darkest part and do what? Look at somebody do as big as VDM. Still, people may use that part of his life. Will not do vam vam vam, and there is nothing really he can do about it. That is his weakest point now. Even the generation on Bombot, you can erase that memory. You can do that. I can assure you that you can do that if you start today. Forget about it. Now God will use Ogechi. We'll go on that part of life. Ibiri ablo a good thing. You should be grateful to God and grateful for God to Ogechi for allowing herself to be used as an instrument to call you to order and not fighting her. You know what I go? So congratulations for agreeing to let go. It is a right step in the right direction. Others. Some of you women should pray for God to make you a woman as brave and as courageous as Ogechi. She's a rare breed. I don't care what you feel about her, but I'm telling you to your face that Ogechi is a rare breed. I believe that name will an unstoppable grace means of that lady. You know what I go? And I love her. There's nothing you can do about that. You know what I go? There's nothing you can do about that. So I wish all of you battle on a bad list here in this season 2. The best of luck. We will gladly watch. Where is Ogechi? She is schooling in America, where it will take you a lot for you to go. And she's an American citizen. She has an American passport. There is nothing you can do about it. It is one of the most valuable assets any one of you may wish to have now. She has it a long time ago. There's nothing you can do about it. Share this video, man.